Hi everyone, it's Alex. I'm off to a startup award ceremony tonight, hence the tux. Now, when pitching for money, VCs and startups are actually quite similar. So we know startups pitch VCs for money. Yeah, fine. But very few people know that VCs have to pitch limited partners, pension funds, high net worth, family offices, to give them the money, the general partners, that's the VCs. And importantly, they need to convince them why they should give them the money. And if they don't, they have the money and you have the problem. Cheers for now.